In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Braintree to Shopify. This powerful integration can streamline your payment processes and improve your online shopping experience for customers. By the end of this video, you'll have a seamless connection between Braintree and Shopify, ensuring your store operates efficiently and securely. To get started, it's essential first to log into your Shopify admin panel. This is the central hub where you'll manage your store, and it's crucial that you have full access to make the necessary changes. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings section, typically found at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. This is where we'll set the foundation for our Braintree connection. Next, within the Settings menu, you'll want to select Payments. This area allows you to configure how you accept payments from your customers, a vital aspect of running an e-commerce business. Here, you'll see various payment provider options. Scroll through until you find the Braintree option. If it's not immediately visible, you might need to search for it manually using the search bar to ensure you're setting up the correct payment gateway. Once you've located Braintree, click on the button that says Activate. This will initiate the process of connecting your Shopify account with Braintree. You'll need to enter some required credentials to complete this activation. These will include your merchant ID, public key, and private key from your existing Braintree account. If you're unsure where to find these, keep watching. I'll guide you through this process. Hop over to the Braintree website and log into your account. From your Braintree dashboard, look for the Account drop-down menu, often located in the upper right. Within this menu, find and select API keys. This section provides the exact credentials required for your Shopify connection. Jot down your merchant ID, public key, and private key, or keep this page open for seamless copying and pasting back into Shopify. Returning to the Shopify payment settings, carefully input the Braintree credentials in the corresponding fields. It's crucial to double-check these entries for any typos to prevent connection failures or future payment processing issues. After entering your credentials, verify that the information is correct, and then save your changes to ensure everything is securely connected. With your credentials set, spend a moment exploring the additional settings within the Payments section. Here, you can customize how Braintree processes payments for your store. This could include setting up additional security features or handling refunds. Tailoring these settings can provide a smoother transaction experience for your customers. Once you're satisfied, it's always a good idea to conduct a test transaction. Doing so will confirm that everything's working as expected. Log out of all admin accounts, visit your store as a customer might, and proceed through the checkout process to ensure that payments are processed smoothly. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Braintree with Shopify. With this setup, you enable a reliable, secure payment option for your customers, enhancing their purchase experience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!